A universal data source file contains database connection parameters, the configuration that tells applications exactly how to reach and authenticate against your data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you configure or troubleshoot these data source connection files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure UDS formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. UDS files are universal data source configuration files, storing database connection parameters including server addresses, database names, authentication credentials, and driver specifications. They provide centralized connection settings for applications accessing relational databases. UDS files typically use an XML or INI-based format, storing connection string components including data provider, type server, hostname port number, database name authentication mode, and optional parameters such as connection timeout and encryption settings. The most widely recognized opener for UDS is unequivocally Microsoft OLEDB from Microsoft Corporation. Windows can show the file exists but cannot perform color space correction or rendering. Windows treats these files like plain text, but improper changes can disrupt system behavior. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your UDS file and choose Open With. Test Microsoft OLEDB first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If your UDS file will not open yet, do not panic. If the file is still stuck, the issue requires confirmation. We need to test the following critical points right now to see the exact origin of the problem. First, configuring connections. Open the UDS file in any text editor to view and modify database connection parameters. Update the server address, database name, and authentication credentials as needed for your environment. Save the file and restart the dependent application to apply the connection changes. Next, testing connectivity. After modifying UDS connection settings, test the database connection using the application's built-in connection test feature, or use a database client tool to verify the server is reachable and credentials are valid before deploying the updated configuration. Finally, security considerations. UDS files may contain sensitive database credentials in plain text. Store UDS files with restricted file permissions accessible only to the application service account. Consider encrypting connection strings or using integrated Windows authentication to avoid storing passwords in configuration files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.